You're watching 5 News Now, Boston. This is Winter Now.
Hello and welcome to 5 News Now. I'm Elliot Lipton. As you can see, it is coming down hard here. We definitely have some accumulating snow. If you look at it, the snow goes about up to my fingers. So there's about 2 to 3 inches right now, actually accumulating much faster than we thought. And the roads have a little bit less snow on them, but it is more dangerous because it is very slippery and compact. So the travel conditions are definitely deteriorating at a rapid rate at this time. We will have continuing Winter Now coverage at 5newsnow.com, and just after this report, we'll have our current conditions report as well. But just wanted to give you a little aspect. 2 days ago, on Thursday, it was 70 degrees. Take a look at this picture. This was sent in by Michelle. She put 70 degrees. She wrote it on her car window. She wrote 70 degrees with her finger. Just a little aspect to tell you about there. But definitely some snow accumulating. Got all of the snow, and it's very compact. If you can compact it, it almost feels hard like ice. Definitely some good snow for snowmen this early in December. But for now, I'm Elliot Lipton, and do take care.